morning guys, welcome to our video vlog. We're now going to Playa Laia in Batangas. Vlogger friends natin. It's Ashton. Where's Ashton? Ashton, say hi.
Let's go na.
And here's Mommy. Hey, Mommy Antok. So, mag-travel kami ngayon. That's around 2.5 hours or 3 hours from Makati to Laia, San Juan, Laia, Batangas. Yes. Back. Baba. Morning. So just arrived here at the Playa Laia in Laia, San Juan, Batangas. So mga 7, 8, 9, 3 hours ang biyahe coming from Makati. Oh my God, si Asho na wala. Oh, meron pang ticket. Para sa aquaria, ganun din.
Good morning. Welcome to Playa Laia.
Alright. Sige.
Welcome drinks po.
Oy, welcome drinks. Gusto ko yan. Ano to? Alcoholic naman to. No?
Blue lemonade.
Blue lemonade.
Non-alcoholic.
Wow! This is the beach and the pool. Nice, ah.
For the tour pa lang tayo. It is same developed by Lanco, managed also by Fuego Hotels. And then, aside from that, si Aquaria kasi open to public. This one, Playa Laia, hindi tayo nag-accept walk-ins. Exclusive for lot owners or yung mga endorsed by lot owners or pwede corporate bookings natin. So, approximately 3 hours drive, 140 kilometers from Manila. And then, how to go here via commute. Meron na tayong mga buses from Buendia, yung Alps, directly to San Juan, town proper, and then jeep na lang going way. Pero kung yung mga may sariling car, the one that we did earlier, S-Lex, and then Startol, iba ang exit. Alright? So, this is the welcome center. Kayo yung entrance fee muna natin.
Entrance fee natin Israel for publish is during weekend 600 pesos and then weekdays is 400 pesos. Yun yung peak season natin. And then yung peak season natin we're in from July to December 15 is weekend is 400 pesos and then weekdays is 320 pesos.
So, kung sino man gusto magpabook, yung mga readers nyo sa mga vlogs nyo, they can contact us, Fuego Hotels, and look for them para maibigay yung dates sa kanila. Kasi if they just go here directly, sabihin walk-in, hindi sila i-accept.
So, kailangan magpapareserve sila. Book talaga kagad.
Yes.
Kailangan credit card payment ba to? Or...
Hindi naman, pwede payment upon arrival, pero as long as may day tour confirmation sila.
So, kailangan may reservation lang.
Yes.
Pero kahit wala ng contact na Kilalang exclusive.
Wala. Basta i-course po natin sa CS.
Sa kagad.
So welcome, this is the pavilion, the welcome center. So all through guests passes through here. Ito yung sales and marketing natin na office. Yung mga LAN brokers or mga PC, personal consultant. Diyan sila nagpakonduct ng sales na ng mga lots and yung mga lands. Yung sa kaninang dinaanan natin na Playa Laia, village yun. More of mga lots yung binibenta. Alright, so let's proceed.
Yung turtle din. Parehas lang siya lang ng turtle, no? Nakatingala.
Alright, so behind you guys, ito yung restaurant natin. The only restaurant, it's the Sands. Capacity niya around 50 guests.
Sans din na pangalan.
Sands din, yes. Same as Aquaria Sands din. On your left side, mga pool cabanas, as we call it. And pool pavilion. So how many?
We have 2 pavilion and 13 pool cabanas.
So how much yung yung rental ng cabanas?
For pool cabanas, we have 750 and then the pool pavilion is 1,500 and then the other cabanas, which is here, big cabanas is 2,700 which can accommodate up to 20 persons. And then the small cabana, we have 5 small cabanas which can accommodate 6 to 10 persons. And then dun sa beach front, we have beach cabanas, 13 beach cabanas. So it is 1,100.
Pero pag sinabing day tour, that's starting from what time to
8 to 6 p.m.
8 to 6 p.m.
For the beach. Same. 8 to 6 pa rin talaga. Pero if ever may mga guest kami nagre-request na gusto talaga nila makita yung sunrise, so binabaka pa rin namin even 6 a.m. pumunta sila dito. Pero they can use the cabanas pa.
Nakakabanas pa.
And then the swimming pool as well.
Ayun.
Yung attraction natin is the infinity pool as we call it. Deepest niya is 5 feet lang. And then for the kiddie pool, 3 feet. So ito siya kasing big pool lang aquarium which has yung
The slide, no?
slide. This one naman, yung main attraction natin is the beach. As we all know, San Juan is known for its beaches.
Oh, mami. Ready for swimming? Si Asho nawawala na. Video vlog check. It's my first time here at Playa Laia, Batangas. Actually, this is an exclusive beach resort. No? So, ginawa nila, inopen na rin nila sa public. But you need to have a reservation. So, lalagay ko yung link ng vlog post ko dito sa baba ng YouTube ko para malaman nyo yung paano mag-reserve at saka yung mga rates ng kanilang cabana, the entrance fee, and the restaurant. So, ayun. Ganda rito. Are you enjoy? Enjoy ka? Enjoy? Yes. Let's go! Kain muna tayo. May sand ka na doon na na-build? Isa. Sira. Okay lang yun. Kakain mo tayong snacks tapos swim. Iwan na tayo ni Ashton. Magbikini ka na lang. Wala, asa kayo sa boat?
Sa ikot-ikot? Or kakaroon sa island?
Let's go, let's go. Ano gagawin natin?
Hello, Hero Tree.
Go. Kaya magaling, ano, kaya unsinkable.
may tattoo.
May tatumbok.
Nakatapos lang namin mag-island hopping dito sa Laia. At nakakatuwa si Ashton, first time niyang mag-island hopping. Actually, Boracay is already a island hopping kasi island yun eh. May treasure ba? Anong klaseng treasure na nakita mo?
Scan.
Skull! Oh my goodness! Skull? Ba't di mo kinuha? Gano'ng kalaking skull? Gano'ng kalaking skull? Oh my gosh! Baka nandun si Jack Sparrow. Ah, siya. Butom lang yan. Skull ka dyan. Gobi. Totoo. Oh my gosh. American Ninja, go! American Ninja. Diyan no, sa may rocks. Kunyari yun yung obstacle. American Ninja. Winner! American Ninja Kid. Yay! Kain na! Kanin, vegetable au gratin, herb seafood kebab, grilled salmon, braised beef pork fat, and some yummy lemonadas, and infused water, and some yummy dessert. Oh my goodness, gusto to ni Ashton. Shucks. So, this is the Sand Restaurant. Ito yung restaurant here in Playa Laia. You can order food. There's a la carte meals and also buffet. I think you can arrange kung marami kayo, no? Can I see? Uchuchu! Whoa! That's so awesome!
Picture!
Picture ba? Di video?
Ano naikot na? Ay!
Kaya mo yan?
What's that? Buo na? Castle? Hala, mas maganda yan, may tubig. Wow! Pwede ko kumuha ng tubig para maganda yung pagka-mold niya. Wala pa! Good luck! Ayun na, oh, lumilipad oh. Oh my gulay. Lumilipad yung stingray. You know, grabe. Si Ashton, susuotin yung GoPro ko sa kanyang ulo. Using my head mount to film everything and what he can see.
Ginagawa ako. Ha?
sorry. Confident pa naman ako na wala akong mabangga. Lifeguard, shoot na tayo.